morning. Just a quick heads up. This is my resetting week, and I'm getting there. I have tried to not worry about the stuff that I can't do anything about. And I need to be honest, it's very difficult. I don't know if you find it easy to just say, I can't do anything about this, so I'm just going to let it go. I've told you guys this is what we should do, but I am my worst own listener. I don't always follow my own advice, especially this last few weeks. But I must tell you, I am getting there. I have decided, I can't do anything about this. Let's focus. And I am trying to focus on one specific positive thing a day. I am focusing. Yesterday, it was things are going well with my kids overseas. So they are getting their stuff in order. My oldest has bought a house, so they're busy renovating and going to move in. And my daughter they've got all their paperwork now, so they can start looking for jobs, and they have a nice apartment, and actually stuff is going quite well for them. The kids are enrolled for school when school starts in August. So I need to be thankful for that. And I actually am really thankful for that. And so therefore, I'm happy and I'm focusing on that. The sadness still gets me, but grieving is a process. Being sad is a process. You have to work through that. I am getting to a point where I realize being mad is only hurting me. And that's also a process. I kid you not. It's not that easy, but I'm getting there. So what I want you to realize out of my journey this week is if you focus on the things that give you joy, that gives you peace of mind, then the stuff that angers you, the stuff that makes you sad, has less power over you. I'm also focusing on doing one thing a day in terms of decluttering. And I realize it also helps a lot. So focus on one thing that makes you happy, one thing that you can control. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I will talk to you later in this week again.